If you're looking to buy land for land banking, mining, artificial intelligence, data centers, or high-performance computing facilities, please keep watching this video. My name is Sebastian Lameres, and as an Argentine lawyer, I represent and own a law firm based in Buenos Aires in the Argentine Republic. Our practice is focused on land acquisition, regulatory structuring, and cross-border legal support for infrastructure-intensive projects. This includes Bitcoin mining, AI training clusters, and industrial-scale data centers. This presentation is specifically addressed to institutional investors, tech operators, family offices, and corporate groups who are evaluating Argentina, and particularly the province of Mendoza, as a jurisdiction for large-scale digital asset and computational operations. Let's start by explaining a key question: why Argentina and why Mendoza? Argentina is one of the few jurisdictions globally that combines abundant land availability, established and formal property rights, a mature legal system based on civil law, significant energy resources, and competitive operational and development costs. Within Argentina, the province of Mendoza offers a strategic profile for foreign investors. Mendoza is internationally known for its wine and ski resorts, but it is also one of Argentina's most important energy and infrastructure provinces. Located along the foothills of the Andes mountain range, Mendoza offers a unique technical advantage for any business requiring massive CPU or GPU power. This includes Bitcoin and digital asset mining, artificial intelligence AI model training, CGI and animation rendering farms, scientific computing and big data analytics, and any operation that requires zillions of processors generating immense heat. Mendoza's proximity to the Andes provides direct access to naturally cold ambient temperatures for a significant portion of the year. For data center operators, these conditions translate to reduced cooling costs, lower energy consumption per computational unit, improved hardware performance, and extended lifespan for ASICs, CPUs, and GPUs. Mendoza offers a dry, arid climate, which is critical for preventing corrosion and humidity-related hardware degradation in high-value servers. This makes the region not only an operational hub, but a strategic target for land banking. Land that today is used for energy or mining infrastructure may in the future benefit from increased demand for data sovereignty, mountain tourism, and global tech expansion. Even though I am licensed in Mendoza, our law firm is located in Buenos Aires and assists clients in identifying and securing that land is zoned for industrial or energy-related use, located near expandable power infrastructure, free of environmental restrictions and compatible with high-density computing, and supported by clear title and verified boundaries. We advise on legal structures designed for international compliance, including Argentine operating companies and foreign-owned subsidiaries. We coordinate closely with energy consultants and infrastructure advisors to ensure land selection is aligned with feasible power delivery. In summary, if you are evaluating opportunities for Bitcoin mining, AI infrastructure, or data center development in Argentina, our law firm is positioned to provide land sourcing and regulatory execution at an institutional standard. Our law firm deals on a frequent basis with inquiries from the US, European, and Middle Eastern operators seeking scalable solutions throughout Mendoza and Argentina. Thank you for your time. Gracias.